to part 7. I am Dr. Subhash M. Kacharati, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Year College. Types of issue of share. Here we discussed second earlier slide for the guidelines of Stock Exchange Board of India. So given different guidelines. Under that we are going types of issue of share. The first one is ordinary shares. Here ordinary shares means a shares which have any restrictions and conditions of any given to the public, and they are taking only given to 1956 Companies Act under purchasing or public to take the shares is known as a ordinary share. Here the ordinary shares always it provide to get benefit to a company or organization. Next point is cumulative preference shares. Cumulative preference shares means here the shares which will double or doubling their data information through purchase or shares in the market, getting to the preference shareholder to how it will be enhanced by a issue of shares. Because of here cumulative, it will take more benefit under organization. Because of preference shares always they are getting benefit and their focus is dividend and they are go through for cumulative base. Because you here for a month, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, quarterly, yearly, how they are taking cumulative base preference shares under taking up the issue of shares under guidelines of the Stock Exchange Board of India. Preference shares. Here under preference shares means a person or a share where it is not any condition or restrictions under enjoying the organization or company without any restriction. Because of they are fixing period, they are fixing rate of interest, they are fixing durability, they are fixing their fixed price of dividend, and they are always getting benefit of the organization. If suppose this year there is no any benefit of the organization, they will not go anywhere, they will carry forward their profit next year. Because of that is instruction of issue of shares under Act of 1956. Next one is redeemable shares. Redeemable shares in the sense what? Where it is expiry date or given period of time, anything between happen, there should be balance to provide the issuing shares is known as a redeemable shares of issuing of a shares under Act is providing through expiry date or durability expire or period is before or after, how they are balancing and matching the fix to providing the shares to the public or outsider is known as a redeemable shares of the issue of shares. Next one is non-voting shares. What is non-voting shares? Non-voting shares means a shareholder when you are issuing the company under Act of 1956, but they are not voting power or voting right of organization because they are only issuing shares. It indicates whatever stock, whatever price, whatever dividend, they depend upon they are running. Otherwise, they are not any voting right to the organization. Here, the last issue of shares is bearer share. Bearer share is nothing but universal share. That share will be go in any company, any industry, depend upon guidelines of Stock Exchange of Board of India is providing. The bearer share will go always listed with different form, different application, different information. Where there is more dividend, in that place they are going to help and getting the bearer shares to the organization is known as a bearer shares under issue of a share. Next is book building process. BBP. Here book building is a systematic process. Means what? According to meaning, Companies Act under the Stock Exchange Board of India, what is book building system process? The first one is generating. In book building process, how you are generating your shares in the market. Because in market always there is market value, par value, face value, present value will always fluctuating. So that is why how you are generating your process based book building process. Second one is capturing. How you are capturing the shares, how you are capturing the public money to book building system process. Under capturing is also very important. When it is important, when you are demand and supply, rate, price, that depend upon how you are recovering, depend upon you are capturing your company, how the company's goodwill, how company's turnover, how company's production, what is demand in the market, depend upon the public will capture overall the book building process of shares and demand. So that is why the how generating, capturing and a recording of investor. Here record means the investor's record should be there. What time, what date, how much he is investing, depend upon demand for share. When it is demand for share, depend upon market fluctuation, market situation, market handling, market strategy should go through. You go for recording investor demand for shares under market. After that, here the issue of appointment a major investment bank. Why it is? Because the banking sector, banking service is very important service nowadays to control overall the financial transactions in the process of book building. Here the major issues sales under demand base. Nowadays they are opening demat account for bank. Under you trade your transactions, depend upon how the customer related, where it is demand, where it is fluctuation, where it is fund flowing, cash flowing. You see and observe both are the banking investment. Both are the major work, and bank is a major tool to investors in the banking sector because of there is good help, good security, good support to undertake the act of a major security under writer or book number is providing nowadays major role or major instrument to providing banking sector in India for the book building process. Thank you.